Hello friends, today I will tell you how to create a vending machine program in LabVIEW. Here is the front panel. As you see, when I hit on run button, there is a Coke dispenser. So the price of Coke is 60 rupees. So I start the program. So it will ask me to insert the money or insert the change. As you see over here, there are four options: 1 rupee, 5 rupee, 20 rupee, and 50 rupee. The Coke price is 60 rupee. So let's say I want to fill it 50 plus 20. Right now, I insert 70 rupee inside the machine. Enter. It will ask me, thank you for your purchasing the item. Press OK and take 10 rupees money from the dispense change. Okay. Again, it will ask me for again the program is ready to start. So right now, let's say I want to feed 50 rupees only. Enter. There is not enough money. Please take your money back. Okay. So let's say again I just put 60 rupees exact. Enter. Thank you for your purchasing the item. The sentence is not right. Thanks for purchasing the item. Please take your money. Right now money is 0. So this is how this dispenser, or you can say Coke vending machine, works out. So let's go behind the program.